Hello viewer, if you face YouTube video title not showing, let's see how to fix YouTube video title disappeared or missing problem. Step 1. Open your YouTube app. Click on your profile icon from the lower right corner. Now go to your setting icon from the top right corner. Now scroll down. Now click on Help. Now click on Send Feedback. Now tap on Get Started. Now allow one-time access. Now in the feedback section, write down, "Hi YouTube support team, YouTube video title disappeared in my YouTube app. Please fix this issue." Then send your report to the YouTube support team. Now go back to your home screen. Now open your App Store, or if you are Android user, open your Google Play Store. Now search YouTube app. Go to YouTube app. From here, update your YouTube app. After complete the update process, open your YouTube app. Now see YouTube video title disappeared problem successfully solved.